Welcome to the Raw Travel app. Our unique navigation app has been well tested and well used by our clients on all our walks over the last 2 years. To get the best results on your phone, make sure you download the app from relevant app store while using Wi-Fi, not data. Please familiarise yourself with the app information and the great features before you leave home. Okay, let's get started. When you open the app, you will be prompted to enter a unique reference number. This number will be emailed to you about 4 weeks before your trip. You only need to enter this number once. After you've typed in the number, you'll want to download everything so that you can access all this information offline. To do that, you just click on the arrow in the blue circle. To access this in the future, go to Your Itineraries at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on your itinerary, you may need to wait a few seconds for your home screen to be displayed. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got. On the home screen, there are 6 buttons. Tap on the blue button to reveal the maps for your entire route. For this example, I've used a Camino trip in Spain. The map currently shows my location in Australia before displaying my Camino route. Once you're actually walking, it will show your exact position on the trail. On the route map, you can zoom in and out. To zoom in, spread 2 fingers or a finger and a thumb apart from one another while touching the screen. This looks like a pinching motion in reverse. To zoom out to see the overall picture or find a different place to zoom in, slide your fingers together. Under settings, you can change the map type to satellite, standard, hybrid, or terrain. If you now click on your routes, which is at the bottom of the screen, it will reveal all the different walking sections. Now we'll click on Day by Day, the green button. This has your daily itinerary and important information. The red button is where your emergency contact details are saved. The purple button is where you'll find important information relevant to your trip. Please take time to carefully read everything here. Click the orange button for weather details. Information is localised to where you will be walking, so you can see in advance what to expect each day. There's also a peach-coloured document button. A PDF of your itinerary will be stored here. Now we're going to run through how to navigate with the app. Firstly, and this is very important, you must enable location services so that you can see where you are in relation to the trail. You'll be the blue dot. If you don't see a blue dot, it means you have not enabled location services. To enable location services, go into Settings, then Allow Location. You may also need to access your phone's location settings for this step. Next up, we recommend putting your phone on flight mode. This step is not essential, but the app will work better if you do, particularly if you're walking in a remote area. If you don't use flight mode, your phone will attempt to make connections with cell towers around it, which could interfere with the app. You can access flight mode through your phone settings. Let's open up Routes Map again. To navigate along the trail, simply follow the blue dot on the map. It will show your location on the trail in real time. You do not need an internet connection or GPS maps. The app works offline. It's accurate to within about 5 metres under open sky. Sometimes buildings, trees and weather conditions can affect the signal and therefore the accuracy, but this is true of all GPS apps, not just ours. Zoom in and zoom out to vary what you can see. Next, tap on the various icons and pins on your route map. The icons visually identify accommodation, cafes, important information, and so on. Tapping on the icon or pin will reveal the information. If you have issues with the app while you are out walking the trail, the best thing to do is switch off your device and then turn it back on. This will reset your phone and the app. Just to recap, here are our top 5 tips to ensure that the app works on your device. Number 1, install the app before you travel, using Wi-Fi, not data. Number 2, enable location services. Number 3, when navigating in remote areas, we recommend using flight mode. Number 4, the app is interactive, zoom in and zoom out. Number 5, click on pins and icons to reveal more details. Your unique information is available on the app for the duration of your trip. It expires 2 days after your trip has finished. And that's about it. See our website for even more frequently asked questions. Thanks for choosing Raw Travel. Happy walking!